Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, coming in on, closing in on the end of July, man. Can't believe how fast this year is gone. Just got a ton of things down in the RSVP group, Cars and Coffees, the whole 9 yards. Hey, I want to remind you, July 23rd, Cars and Coffee up at the Pensacola area. So Justin and Courtney putting it together. And then just take a look at all the other things that are on our RSVP list. You can now do that by your area zone, your area governor zone, whatever the case that is. Or you could just look at the whole macro. And you can also look at some other BMW events going on. We've put those down in the menu there. You can take a look, and I'll give you just a couple of, for instances. July 23rd, Pittsburgh Grand is up there. August 9th is the Women's Drive up in Indianapolis. That's the thing that our Executive Vice President of the CCA, a good friend of our chapter, Luann Shirk, is sort of overseeing that. I think that's full, but what an amazing event put together there. It's going to be a great drive for the ladies. And then in October, let me blow the horn a little bit here for our BMW CCA Foundation. Is the 50th anniversary of the M brand. That's a Friday, Saturday event, I believe, October 14th and 15th at the foundation. Those guys do a wonderful job. If you've never been there, you've got to put together a trip and go see that. It's just absolutely amazing. Some of the things that they archive there, come in on special shows and that kind of thing. It's just an amazing feature for the car club, and it's just down the street from the factory, so factory tour could be in your future. So take a look at that. Hey, I want to talk to you for just a few minutes about some communication processes that we have in place. Down below, all the way down below on our website is a little blue envelope. It says just stay in touch. Click on that and you get this email, this e-blast we call it, every Friday morning around 8 o'clock on Friday morning. Carol puts this whole thing together. It's just an amazing distribution. Put your name on that, you get it, it's automatic, you're in there, and you're good. We typically always sign up brand new members, put their names in there for them just so they're in the loop. The other way you could communicate, and people ask us this all the time, how do I talk to other members? Well, quite honestly, we don't release our membership list to anybody. We protect your privacy. As you join the club, you put down email addresses or phone numbers. We don't give those out. We don't sell them, we don't give them out, nobody gets to see it. It's under a padlock. But we do have the Florida Suncoast Facebook account, and the easiest way to do is get on there. We also load all our events. It links it right back to our website for the RSVP. One easy click gets you right to the RSVP. But that's a way that you talk to other members in your area, out of area, topics that you would put in, and it's a members only. No one gets on that website except members only. So you guys that are on this email blast that are visitors, you're welcome to sign up, become a member of the Florida Suncoast, and then you can get into the Facebook account. So it's a great way for you to get in and talk to your family communities. I think I looked just the other afternoon. I believe we have Kevin Tipton will give me the heads up on this, but I believe we have 908 members or something like that already in. That's way over half of our membership. So get in on that. And that way you can talk to other members in different areas. You're traveling, you want to go do something, you want an impromptu picnic or barbecue at somebody's house, put it out there on the Facebook account. That's where we do our communicating as well. So 2 places, the Florida Suncoast website, and then it has all your archives and information and RSVPs about all the things we're doing and have done. If you want to find your picture and blow it up and publish it and put it on your bedroom wall or your office wall or whatever the case may be, show it to your friends and family. We have archives and galleries of everything we've done. So go out there to the Flickr account and you can see all that. So it's just a couple of ways to get you there, but let me encourage you. Get into the information link down below in the little blue box to get into the e-blast if you're not already there. And then also get on the Facebook account and get linked in and talk to other members. Only members get in. You'll apply to get in, give your number, and then once we've confirmed your number, boom, you're in, and that's where we're talking to each other. So still working this machine for you, making things happen, events, all those kind of things. So until we talk next time, listen, have a safe drive, have a safe summer, and as we always say, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.